Okay, wait, I will tell you. Only because we celebrate today one of the most pious festival, and that is Nowruz. અને નવરોઝ ફેસ્ટિવલ કોણ સેલિબ્રેટ કરે ખબર તમને? Parsi community, and myself also a Parsi. And you know who is he? આ કોણ છે તમને ખબર? એ મારો દીકરો છે મેહેર. જો અમે કેટલા ફાઇન ટ્રેડિશનલ કપડા પહેરેલા છે ને, તો નવરોઝના દિવસે અમે આવી રીતના ફાઇન કપડા પહેરીએ, રાઈટ ચિલ્ડ્રન? Children, we came from Iran. અમે લોકો છે ને ઈરાનથી આવેલા છીએ. And to save our holy fire, અમે લોકો છે ને ફાયરની પૂજા કરીએ. And you know children, અમે લોકો છે ને દૂધમાં સાકર કેવી મિક્સ થઈ જાય તેવી રીતને ઇન્ડિયામાં આવીને બધા લોકો સાથે એકદમ હળીમળીને રહીએ છીએ. જેમ દૂધમાં સાકર મેલ્ટ થઈ જાય ને તેવી જ રીતે. And you know children, now means new, અને રોઝ એટલે day. That is new day. It means નવરોઝ. ચિલ્ડ્રન, અમારા ગોડનું નામ અશોક ઝરથુસ્ત્ર. અમે એમની પૂજા કરીએ. એન્ડ અમારો જે પારસી ધર્મ છે ને તે 3 મેઇન બેઝિક થિંગ્સ પર એનું પાયો છે. એન્ડ ધેટ ઇઝ મનશની, ગવશની એન્ડ ગુનશની. મનશની મીન્સ ગુડ વર્ડ્સ, એટલે કે આપણું સારું બોલવાનું. ગવશની મીન્સ ગુડ થોટ, એટલે કે સારા વિચાર કરવાના. એન્ડ ગુનશની મીન્સ સારા કામ કરવાના. Now, one of our parents will say something about Nowruz.
Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine. You all must be wondering, who am I? I am Mrs. Farzana Nalawala, working as a teacher in your school. I am working in the primary department. Now today I am going to talk to you about the upcoming festival Parsi New Year. Parsis celebrate the New Year as to mark the beginning of a new day. It also marks the beginning of their new calendar year. Okay children, now tell me, where you all go to worship God? You all go to the temple. તમે પૂજા કરવા ક્યાં જાઓ? મંદિરમાં જાઓ. તેમજ પારસી લોકો પણ મંદિરમાં જાય. એ લોકોના મંદિરને અગિયારી કહેવાય. It is called a fire temple, where there is fire in a big vessel and they worship fire. And when we are going to Agyari, we have to wear a scarf like this. આ scarf તમે નહીં પહેરો ને તો તમને અગિયારીમાં not allowed. Now, I wish to tell you how and why do they celebrate their New Year's. Parsis New Year કેવી રીતે અને શા માટે celebrate કરે. 10 days before the New Year, we follow some sacred days. જેમ કે તમારામાં શ્રાદ્ધ હોય ને, બસ એવી જ રીતે. We believe that our departed souls who are in heaven, they come down to the earth and stay with us for these 10 days. So for these 10 days, we go to the Agyaris, we worship them, and we put flowers, we offer food, fruits and everything to the departed souls. These last 10 days of the year are very sacred and holy for us, because we believe that our departed souls come back to the earth and stay with us for all these 10 days. These days are called Muktar. When during Muktar one visits an Agyari, he finds that there are vases of flowers kept in the Agyari. At the same time, these vases, we consider them as departed souls and we offer them fruits, flowers, and we also say our prayers. The 10th day of Muktar is the saddest day. Why it is saddest? Because at that time our departed souls, those who have come onto the earth, will be moving back to the heaven, and so it is a sad day. It is also called Pateti, and the next day we celebrate it as New Year. But during this lockdown period, we are not allowed to go to the Agyari. So all the arrangements that we have been doing in the Agyari, we have planned to do it in our own houses. I'll show you how it is done. Prayers are conducted in Agyari also, but due to the lockdown period, we are not allowed to go to the Agyari, and we have made the arrangements in the house itself. You can see the offerings here: a glass of milk, tea, a glass of water. There is a diya lighted here, fruit, and a vase kept with roses and lilies into it. In this way, we seek blessings of our departed souls and request them to be with us in all parts of the life by blessing us. This is a set of sacred vessels which you will find in each and every Parsi house. This is called a sase. A sase includes, this is a plate. It includes a gulabas into which we fill rose water to sprinkle over. Okay. This is a coconut, as you can see. It's a sacred fruit almost in all the religions. This is called a soparo. A soparo into which we put a pan, then haradno gathio mukai ema kotla wali badam hoy, sopari, all these religious things we put into this. We also put some rice grains into it. This is a pigani into which we put kumkum. Kumkum is used for all the auspicious occasions that take place in the house, like birthdays, weddings, or any other auspicious occasion. And we decorate this by lighting a diya into it and putting lots of flowers and garlands into it. On the next day of Pateti, we celebrate our New Year. On the New Year day, we put garlands on the door, we put rangolis on the doorsteps, we make lots of sweet dishes and offer it to our relatives and friends. We also visit the Agyaris during the New Year day and wish each and everyone Happy New Year, Navroz Mubarak, Sal Mubarak.
Hello friends, my name is Miss Kainal Nalawala. On 16th August, we are celebrating Parsi New Year. I wish my friends Navroz Mubarak.
થેન્ક યુ મિસિસ ફરઝાના. સો ચિલ્ડ્રન, તમે જોયું કે મિસિસ ફરઝાના પોતે પણ પારસી છે અને એવાને આપણને કેટલું મીઠું મોઠું બોલીને કેટલી સચ્ચી મજાની ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આપી ને ચિલ્ડ્રન. સો ધીસ ફેસ્ટિવલ ઇઝ સેલિબ્રેટેડ અરાઉન્ડ ધ વર્લ્ડ વિથ ધ સ્પિરિટ ઓફ લવ, peace and positivity. I wish all my children happy Navroz. દાદાજી સૌનું ભલું કરે. Thank you.